welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Annapurneshwari, the Panadontist. In this video, I'm going to talk about the oral care that begins right from a baby to a child. One thing I've observed is that few of the parents think the oral care for the baby starts only when they're around 2 years or 3 years, but no, it starts at 0 months. Yes, for a just born baby. Right from the time they have been fed for the first time, the oral care is something that has to be taken care of. I am stressing on oral care even for a just born baby because of three main reasons. The first reason is that it prevents cavity development in the early stages of a kid, which is the whole purpose of this video. Second is that it eventually cultivates a habit for them to take care of their oral hygiene. These are the tiny steps that you are taking for them. Third is that it becomes a routine for you to concentrate on your baby's oral care. It's as simple as that. Just take a clean, soft washcloth, just wrap it on your index finger and dip it in a clean water. Make sure you just wet it and then gently wipe your baby's gums and even in front of the tongue. Make sure you clean their tongue because tongue also plays an important role in harboring the bacteria which builds up if it doesn't get cleaned properly. Apply no pressure. Try to do this at least once or twice a day, especially after the last feed for the day, that is during the bedtime. Have another important point to tell you is that don't let your baby to fall asleep with a feeding bottle. It might lead to a condition called as early childhood caries or nursing bottle caries. It is an important topic which I'll be discussing in the next video. Around 5 to 6 months of age, start using a finger toothbrush. These finger toothbrushes are silicone brushes which have soft nabs on it and they are dual-sided. Just slide your finger into these brushes and do a massaging action on their gums and even in front of the tongue very gently. Do it at bedtimes and even after meals. During teething, as you know, babies have very soft, tender and irritated gums. So the massaging action from a finger toothbrush helps to soothe the gums. Around 1 year of age, start using a baby toothbrush which has soft bristles on it. Dip it in clean water so that it softens the bristles and brush it on the tooth surfaces and even on the tongue. I know around this age the babies want to grab onto the toothbrush and play with it for some time. Let them do it. Let them feel that it is a pleasant experience and not something to be frightened of. And also make sure that after they are done playing with it, you brush it properly. Okay, I would also suggest to make this brushing activity more interesting by buying some fun characters toothbrushes like animals. I would suggest a panda toothbrush and something with bright colors that would attract them. And make it more interesting by singing a song along with them. I want to make sure that it should be something enjoyable for them, not something as a forceful habit. Around 1.5 year age, they can start using something called as tooth gel toothpaste, which comes exclusively for toddlers, which is fluoride free and comes in many flavors like grapes and strawberry. You can teach them how to rinse or spit with it, and they would also like the flavor of the gel. Around 2 years, they can upgrade themselves with a toothpaste which contains fluoride, but the amount of size that they have to use is only a size of grain, that is a size of a rice for brushing. 3 years plus, they get promoted with a pea-sized amount of toothpaste for brushing, which contains fluoride and comes in wide variety of flavors. And the other important points that I have to mention is that make sure that they brush twice daily, and until they are 7 years of age, be involved in their brushing activity, even though they can brush on their own. And also make sure that they try to brush even on the backside of the teeth, that is on the molars which has deep grooves in it. And make it a habit to change toothbrush once in 3 months to avoid the bacterial buildup on the toothbrushes. We have come to the end of this video. I hope this video helped you. In the next video, I'll be talking about early childhood caries, the prevention and complications. Thank you for watching.